Hey guys, if you're interested in knowing what the top 3 things are to prepare you to buy, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Philip Batchelder, Realtor, today with you here, and we are talking about the top 3 things you need to do to be ready to buy a house. Now, one of the biggest things going on in the market right now that I'm seeing is that people are coming in, they want to buy a house, but they also have a house to sell. That's pretty common, that you have a house to sell. And where I'm finding this most is in price points over $500, $600, $700 million plus homes where people are looking to buy. A lot of those people have to sell a house first, capture the equity out of that house, and then apply it towards their next buy. Now, you absolutely have to have a strategy. And the strategy that I think is the best in this scenario is going ahead and listing your house first, getting the house under contract, and making that contingent on you finding a house. Now, it may take you a while to find a house, but the people that are buying your house need to be very clear that you're not gonna close on your house until you find something to live in. Now, those people may say it's taking too long, or they may have to negotiate it to where, well, okay, you have a month to buy your house or find a house, and then we're just gonna be out. So it kind of can put you in a tricky point either way, whether or not that your strategy is to list your house and get it under contract first. And then secondarily, the other option would be to make sure your house is 100% ready to list. And when I say 100% ready to list, I mean everything is done. In the market we're in, people are no longer buying junk anymore, okay? So get rid of the junk, all right? Like, let's get the house ready. Let's make it immaculate. You absolutely have to make sure that your house is 100% ready and you've done the checklist of things. And one of the things I recommend doing too is getting a home inspection prior to listing and being willing to share that, but also being willing to get everything on that home inspection done before we put it on the market. So on point 2, what we absolutely have to do is make sure our finances are in order. Financing is very simple. It's an application with a lender. If you're gonna be getting a loan, whether that's FHA or USDA or just a conventional loan, as a real estate agent, I will not get in the car with you and waste my time because you're so great. I wanna spend so much time with you and I wanna get in the car with you. Please just get the letter and get your financing in order. And every realtor that you work with, or any realtor that you work with, should be telling you, hey, I know a great lender here, or we just need to get your bank letter in order. Because when we make an offer, we don't need to be scrambling to try to get that, okay? Guys, point 3 to me is one of the most important, if not the most important, because it ties into points 1 and 2, and that is trust your realtor. And I'm so passionate about that, guys, because there's so many people out there messing everything up. I feel better. We need to absolutely make sure that you can trust me, okay? Because I'm gonna give you a list of things that have to be done, and the list is not something that I'm saying, oh, you could do this. It's like, hey, your landscaping sucks, all right? We need to get that done. And I'm not gonna be that mean, I'm not a jerk, but I am somebody, you hired me to do a job, so why would you not listen? They're there to give you a professional opinion that's gonna make it happen. So that is a very key point to me, all right? Now, if you don't trust your realtor, then get a new one. When I say trust your realtor, guys, it's so basic. It's just like the relationship. You need to trust your best friend. This is somebody you're gonna be working intimately with for a month and a half to 2 months, maybe 3 months. And your realtor should be backing you up, not telling you to lower your price, not telling you to do all this stuff first. The realtor is absolutely key because they're gonna be the ones who know the lender. They're gonna be the ones who know what to tell you what to do, and they're gonna be the ones that tell you how to get absolutely everything you need to get and absolutely everything you need to do to be ready to buy your next house. I hope this video helped you. I look forward to catching you on the next one. Please like and subscribe, hit the noti bell for the next videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.